Danger to life weather warnings in place as Storm Bram brings heavy wind and rain to parts of UK. Storm Bram is bringing heavy rain and strong winds to parts of the UK, with the Met Office issuing several danger to life weather warnings in parts of Scotland, Wales and southwest England. Forecasters say the storm could damage buildings and cause power cuts and travel disruption tonight. An amber weather warning, which means there is a danger to life from flooding or flying debris, has been issued for northwest Scotland, where gusts could reach as high as 90 miles per hour, 145 kilometers per hour, this afternoon. Winds of up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, are also forecast elsewhere. The amber rain warning also includes parts of South Wales and the southwest of England, mostly covering Dartmoor in Devon. The forecasters said around 100 millimeters of rain could fall in some locations, with 50 to 75 millimeters of rain expected across much of the warning area. Elsewhere, authorities in Northern Ireland have begun flood preparations amid concerns that rivers could overflow. Stay with us as we bring you the latest from the storm.